Again we are asked to find the solution of this differential equation. Now if you see, this is not in the standard form. Here if you see, the functions are in terms of y. You can see here tan inverse y, 1 plus y square. Okay, these are in terms of y. If the functions are in terms of y, that means instead of dy by dx, I have to convert it into dx by dy because the functions are in terms of y. So if you make dx by dy, you will get tan inverse y minus x upon 1 plus y square. Okay, I have taken this term to this side and dy to this side. Okay, so I am converting dx by dy. So here you can see I am treating x as a dependent variable and y as a independent variable, or you can say here x is the function of y. Okay, question can be framed in this manner as well. Okay, now from now onwards the process will be same. Okay, now again if you simplify this, you will get tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square minus x upon 1 plus y square. Now take this term to the left hand side, you will get dx by dy plus 1 plus y square into x is equals to tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square. Okay. Now you can see I have converted the differential equation in the standard form. Now here the coefficient of x, that is 1 upon 1 plus y square, is equals to p. So p is equals to 1 upon 1 plus y square. And the value of q is tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square. Okay. Now the integrating factor is given by e raised to the power p dy, not p dx. Okay, because here the independent variable is y here. Okay, in this case, because here p and q are the function of y. Okay, so put the value of p, you will get e raised to the power integral of 1 upon 1 plus y square dy. Okay, so the integration of 1 upon 1 plus y square is equals to tan inverse y. So it will be e raised to the power tan inverse y. So this is the integrating factor. Okay, now let us go for the solution. The solution of the linear differential equation is given by dependent variable into integrating factor. Here dependent variable is x. Okay, is equals to integration of q into integrating factor dy. Okay, here dy we will take. Now put the value of integrating factor, that is x into e raised to the power tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square, that is the value of q, into e raised to the power tan inverse y. Now you can see integration of this term is very complicated. So we will go for substitution. Okay. So let us assume tan inverse y is equals to t. T is the new variable here. Now differentiate both the side. You will get differentiation of tan inverse y is 1 upon 1 plus y square dy is equals to dt. Okay. Now here you can see there is a term 1 upon 1 plus y square into dy. So I can replace by dt. So what I have done, in place of tan inverse y, I will put t. So t into e raised to the power t. Okay, e raised to the power t. Okay, and 1 upon 1 plus y square dy, that is equals to dt. So I have placed dt here. Okay, now integration of this term is a bit simpler here. Okay, so here you can see we have to integrate the combination of two functions, that is t and e raised to the power t. Okay, there is a two function here. Let us assume t as a first function and e raised to the power t as a second function. Now in integration, we have a multiplication rule. Okay, there is a function which are multiplied. So for such type of problem, I have a shortcut formula. Now suppose I have to integrate two functions, that is they are multiplied, that is first function and second function. So the formula is first function into integration of second function minus integration of differentiation of first function into integration of second function. Okay, so by using this formula, let us integrate this function. We will get this one. Okay, that is first function is t into integration of second function. Integration of e raised to power t is e raised to the power t minus integration of, that is differentiation of first function. Now the differentiation of this function t is equals to 1 and integration of second function, that is the integration of e raised to power t, that is same e raised to power t. Now we need to integrate this term. We will get t into e raised to power t minus integration of e raised to power t is same e raised to power t plus constant c, that is the integration constant. Now again substitute the value of t. the value of t is tan inverse y, that is what we have assumed. It becomes tan inverse y e raised to the power tan inverse y minus e raised to the power tan inverse y plus c. I have substituted the value of t here, okay. Now by divide both the side, e raised to the power tan inverse y, okay. So it will become x is equals to tan inverse y minus 1 plus c into e raised to the power minus tan inverse y, okay. This term and this term will get cancelled, and this term and this term will also get cancelled. So that is what I am getting minus 1 here, and here I am getting tan inverse y. And if you divide c by this term, you will get c into e raised to power minus tan inverse y, okay. Here minus sign will come. So this is the solution of the given differential equation, okay. So this is the important formula for integration. We use this formula when there is a two function multiplied and we are required to integrate those function, okay.